What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. And today's video, I'm sharing with you guys 6 gifts for him and her. So these are him and her gifts. So I'm providing you guys 6 him and her gifts that you guys might want to check out to give you guys significant other a gift that you guys can embrace together. If you guys are new to Arccway, make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get the latest content update on the channel. Also, check out the IG page where you guys get the latest fashion and trends of what I post on Instagram. So let's get into this video. So him and her items are very significant to the partners, to each other. It's a bond, it's a unit. So I have a few suggestions for you guys. So the first thing on my list is a Fossil watch. Fossil watch has a great collection of couple watches where you guys can both get a style that you guys both like, you guys can gravitate towards. So they have a lot of minimalistic looks, they have a lot of clean looks, they have a lot of technical looks. So whatever works best for you guys, make sure you guys get something in that sense. Him and her watches within Fossil, they have a bunch of strap watches, they have different types of looks, a lot of clean, elegant type of stuff as well. So it does help out with both parties, and it does help out with getting you guys something that you guys can both share. So the next thing on the list is a journal set. So a journal set is a good time to write down your thoughts. It's a good time to write down what your to-do list is. Whatever you have on your mind is a good way to put it down in your specific journal. So there is journals for women and there's journals for men. So that is something that you guys can stock up on and something that you guys can put into your routine. So having a journal specifically for you guys, but at the same time as a unit, you guys can do it as a group or a group session. That's something you guys can go with forward. So make sure you get yourself a journal. There's many different journals in hard cases of, there's many different journals of hard book covers to leather to different, there's like furry ones as well. So there's different styles and different looks, especially for him and her. So get yourself a journal, make sure you gift that as a gift as well, and then watch how they enjoy their present. So if you guys are, or you know someone that is a sporty couple, make sure you guys grab them a him or her sports t-shirts. That was something that is really, really significant within the unit, but at the same time, they can share that bond of sports together. So make sure you grab their favorite team, their favorite player, their favorite number, or even throw up their last name on the back. Anything that has any significance of them being together, that's something they can share as a bond, or even you with your significant other can share as a bond. So if you guys are into sports, maybe get like a t-shirt, maybe get a hat as well. So these are just a few things that you guys can purchase regarding him and her items together. So my next thing on my list is a tracksuit or a sweatpant jumper. That's something I can really significantly say that it could work best for both the couples. So make sure you guys get yourself like maybe a full sweatshirt bond, or you guys can do a full tracksuit as well. So either or, that kind of bond of the unit of similar styles, that could actually bring you guys closer together, but at the same time make you guys stylish at the same time. So if you guys are into sweatpants or tracksuits, make sure to check out the link down below. I'll provide all the links for all these resources. So my next thing on my list is a Matt and Nat luggage set. So where you guys can go for like a weekender bag for him and her. You guys just have to match it together, the style, but they do have a lot of things within the women's department and the men's department. So every time you guys do travel, you guys are going out, or you guys are just going to the store, you want to have a stylish wallet that looks similar together, or even like your luggage gear. There's so many things on this website that you guys will like, and I think you guys will really enjoy. So next on the list is sneakers. If you guys have similar styles within your streetwear, your fashion, so make sure you guys grab yourself some sneakers. That way you guys can have similar styles within your look, but also at the same time you guys have this bond of a unit. You guys can rock it together, different styles, different looks, different textures, different colors. There's so many different things you can do within streetwear sneakers. You can even go for exclusive looks. You guys can even go for something more upbeat or more laid back or more subtle. There's so many different things, but make sure you guys get yourself in both sizes, a female and a male. One thing I'll say about sneakers is sometimes they don't come in both sizes within a certain style. So if you look for a certain style, make sure it's diverse, make sure they have it in a women's. If they don't have it in a women's or a men's, get something that's similar towards it, or get something of the same brand or the same colorway, and then you guys can match it with that similar style. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Most importantly, if you guys like this type of content, make sure you guys subscribe down to the section down below and hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a big thumbs up so I know you do enjoy this content. And also check out the IG page where I'll be posting daily content for you guys. So yet again, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.